P&W Blanks and Sublimation DTF Pin Crate members. It's Dawn and today is Tutorial Tuesday. And today we are going to do the new carvents that Anna has available at pnwblanks.com. And she's got a bunch of different designs for those. The one we're going to do today is this cute little shirt. I'm using it as a little nurse's top. And I just got this little design. And I'm going to put the name on there. And then we're just going to do it like that. And I just drew a square for that. And then found kind of where the middle was to put the name. And then, of course, you do not mirror your design because we're going to sublimate on the white side. And then it's going to show through. So that is the top. And then we have this cute little rubber ducky. And then she's got little ice cream. And a coffee cup. And just a square. And a rectangle. We've got the 40-ounce jumbo, which I want to do one of those for me. And then we've got a pencil. So super, super cute things going on here. This would actually, it's got a hole, so it might be a super cute keychain. Might be a keychain. I may have mixed that up. And then, of course, we have the circle, which I did. How cute is that? Maple Dot Design, one of our approved designers. She's got a bunch of different ones on her site, so make sure to check that out, Maple Dot Designs. And then I put it together, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. It's still kind of dry in there, but we'll put that together, or I'll let that dry, and then I'll show you. So what you're going to get is your acrylic piece, and then you're going to get 3 other pieces. You're going to get your round piece, which we're going to attach to the acrylic, and then your carvent clip. And then you're also going to get this little white disc that you put down in here. And that's where you put your little oil, your smell good oil. That's going to make your car smell good. So that's our 3 different pieces. 1, 2, 3, well, 4, I guess, pieces that you're going to get. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take the protective sheeting off the back. And like I've showed in other videos, I don't take it off the front because I don't want the tape marks on there. So I just take the back off, the protective sheeting from the back off. Make sure you get it all. And then I'm going to leave the front protective tape on. And then I'm just going to line it up. If you can see me here. Line it up where I want it. And then we're just going to tape it down really good. I don't want it to shift. Okay, and then I have my Cascadia Pro Heat Press set to 355 for 55 seconds. We're going to do paper up. Got my blowout paper on the top and bottom. And just medium pressure, nothing real heavy. And we're going to go for 55 seconds. And then I'm going to put my little thing in there, and then here's our car clip, our car vent clip. How cute is that, guys? From Maple Dot, that is so adorable. And like I said, she does have a bunch of other ones. And then you just clip this into your car vent. Put your scent in there, whatever scent you love. And there we go. So how cute are those? So when we go to do this one, so when you get it, it comes in separate pieces, and then you just put it in there. I don't put this in there yet just in case I get glue everywhere, but I do put this on just to help me hold it. So I'll show you how we're going to glue that together once it's done. Now, because this is acrylic, of course it is going to bend because it's hot. So what I do is I take something heavy and I just set it on there till it cools off a little bit to keep it straight. So once it cools off, I'm going to come back, I'll show you, and then we're going to put it together. Okay, so while it's cooling off, this is a keychain. So I had that mixed up. I ordered something, and then this is a cupcake. So she's got the circle, the coffee, the cupcake, the duck, tumbler. She's got a helmet, football helmet, mason jar. It's really cute. And then all the ones that I showed you. So, or you can ask her to do a customized one for you. Okay. So this is pulled off. So we're just going to take that off. And then we're going to take our top protective sheet off. And then we have our cute little scrub. You can use this, like I said, as a t-shirt, whatever else you want. So then we're going to put this together. So let me move some stuff around, get the glue in front here, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so what I wanted to show you too was Anna has sold out of the badge reels, but you could use these too to put on a badge reel if you had them from when Anna sold them. Super cute little badge reel. But we're going to put it on the card bit, like I said. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this over. If you can see. Okay. And then I'm just going to put a little bit of super glue on this end. Make sure that you have your opening going up. So this is just Gorilla Gel Super Glue. I'm almost out. I don't need a ton because it's really strong. Okay. Then I'm just going to put it where I want it. Try to make sure that it's lined up. And then if you're using super glue, you know, just put it on there and let it dry. Because we don't want it to move around. And then I think that really works really good. So like I said, make sure to check out the different options available from Anna at pnwblanks.com. Check out the cute little designs that Maple Dot Design has. I mean, you can use any design. We've got a ton of cute, you know, different designs from our approved designers, but she does some have made specifically for that. So check those out. Thank you guys.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Come join us on Facebook for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Happy pressing!